We're here in Florence, Arizona, airing down, getting ready to attempt the Elvis Trail and do Box Canyon. This is our buddy Ray's last weekend here in Arizona, so we want to do something really cool before he heads out. I'm really excited about this trail. I've been through Box Canyon before and it's really amazing. We're here at the first obstacle. Looks like there's the hard way. Here's the easy way. And our friend Ray realized he has no 4 low. So he's here trying to fix it.
Well, he's adjusting it.
Yeah.
Nick attempted to follow me this way, but his drive shaft was going to hit the ledge, so he opted to take the bypass. Little did we know at this time, this ledge had already done some damage to my Jeep. It was at this moment when my GoPro overheated and decided it didn't want to record anymore, and it would refuse 4K footage the rest of the trip. After I got past this obstacle, I heard a strange sound under my Jeep. To my surprise, my rear drive shaft was damaged and we had to remove the boot.
First obstacle on Elvis. This is what I managed to do. I ripped my drive shaft boot. My drive shaft's pretty banged up. So we'll see. We're gonna finish off this trail and we will see if I have to take it off before we drive home. It looks pretty bad. like 5 hours to go 15 miles. The sun is setting, as you can see. We got a really late start today. We're airing up, ready to hit the road. It's gonna be dark when we get home, but it was a great day. We saw some amazing things and can't wait for the next adventure.